Hi, and welcome to Hit the Road Learning to Drive. Today, we're focusing on the top 5 tips to help you conquer the world of manual transmission. Buckle up and let's dive right in. Tip number 1. Get familiar with your vehicle, know where the clutch, brake and accelerator pedals are, and understand the layout of the gear stick as every car is different. Spend some time adjusting your seats, mirrors for optimal comfort and visibility. Tip 2. Practice clutch control. Find the biting point by slowly releasing the clutch pedal whilst pressing the gas. Mastering this delicate balance is essential for smooth starts and gear changes. Tip 3. Listen to your engine. The sound of the engine is your best friend when learning to drive a manual car. It will tell you when to shift gears, pay attention to the RPM, revolutions per minute, and shift gears when the engine sounds like it's working hard. Tip number 4. Diversify your practice. Take your learning experience beyond the parking lot. Practice on hills, different road types, and in traffic. Each scenario presents unique challenges that will enhance your driving skills. Tip number 5. Be patient and stay calm. Learning to drive a manual car is a journey, not a race, so don't be discouraged by stalls or jerky starts. Take a deep breath, stay calm, and enjoy the learning process. Remember, every great driver started where you are now. And there you have it, our top 5 tips for learning to drive a manual car. Keep practicing, stay focused, and soon you'll be shifting gears like a pro. Thanks for joining us on Hit the Road Learning to Drive. Until next time, drive safe and enjoy the open road.